In the far future, space travel could go way beyond what we can do today. Humans might explore other star systems using powerful new technologies that can handle the huge distances between stars. Ideas like warp drives, which bend space, or fusion-powered rockets, which are super fast and efficient, may one day become real. These missions wouldn't just send robots, they'd carry people, living in advanced spacecraft with systems to recycle air, water, and food. The goal would be to find new planets to live on, learn more about the universe, and ensure human survival by becoming a space-traveling civilization. Blue Origin's New Glenn is a powerful new rocket designed for space missions. It can carry up to 45 tons into low Earth orbit and is built to be reusable, helping reduce launch costs. The rocket uses 7 methane-powered engines on the first stage and 2 hydrogen engines on the upper stage for strong and precise performance. In early 2025, it completed its first flight, successfully reaching orbit and deploying a test payload, although the booster was not recovered. New Glenn is planned to support major projects like Amazon's Kuiper satellites, NASA's Artemis moon missions, and future Mars exploration. The Humdinger by Gibbs Amphibians is a high-speed amphibious vehicle built for both land and water. It can reach up to 80 miles per hour on land and over 30 miles per hour on water, switching between terrains in seconds. Measuring 7 meters long, it comes in 3- or 6-seater versions for personal, commercial, or emergency use. Powered by a 4.2-liter Tier 3V engine with 370 horsepower, it features 4-wah-wah-deed and twin-jet propulsion for smooth performance anywhere. Perfect for recreation, utility work, or rescue missions, the Humdinger blends advanced engineering with versatility, setting a new standard for reliable, exciting amphibious travel. The Gibbs Bisky is a unique motorcycle that can travel on both land and water. Made by Gibbs Amphibians, it has 1 seat with room for a passenger and runs on twin-jet propulsion. At 2.3 meters long and less than 1 meter wide, it's the smallest but most advanced high-speed amphibious vehicle from the company. It can go up to 80 miles per hour on land and 37 miles per hour on water, switching between the two in under 5 seconds. Designed for adventure lovers, the Bisky offers incredible versatility, speed, and excitement, letting you enjoy smooth rides on roads and thrilling trips on water. The Gibbs Aquata is a revolutionary high-speed amphibious vehicle created by Gibbs Technologies. It can reach speeds of over 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour on land, and 30 miles per hour, 50 kilometers per hour on water. Powered by a strong Rover K-Series 24-valve V6 engine and a special HSA water jet system, it offers excellent handling in both environments. The Aquata became famous when Richard Branson broke the English Channel crossing record in it, cutting 4 hours off the previous time. Produced in limited numbers in 2003 and 2004, it's now a collector's gem, admired for its sleek design, versatility, and thrilling performance on land and water. The BMW Alpha is a striking motorcycle concept created by Turkish industrial designer Mehmet Doruk Erdem and built by Utah machinist and custom bike builder Mark Atkinson. Inspired by the sleek, powerful shape of great white sharks, it features a sharp, streamlined front and a strong, muscular rear. The design includes BMW's signature kidney grille, blending elegance with raw performance. Originally a digital concept, it was transformed into a fully functional motorcycle, highlighting the fusion of cutting-edge design and traditional craftsmanship. Gravity-based energy storage is a smart way to store and release electricity using gravity. When there's extra power, often from wind or solar, it lifts a heavy object like a concrete block to a higher point. Later, when power is needed, the block is lowered, and its stored potential energy is turned back into electricity through a generator. This method lasts long, needs little maintenance, and works for both small and large projects. It's eco-friendly, avoiding rare or toxic materials. Companies like Energy Vault are already building large systems, making it a promising solution for reliable, clean energy in the future. The EcoFlow Glacier is a smart and portable refrigerator made for modern adventurers. With a 38-liter capacity and dual-zone temperature control, it keeps different foods and drinks at their ideal temperatures. It features a built-in ice maker that makes 18 ice cubes in just 12 minutes. Powered by a 298 Wh battery, it can run wirelessly for up to 40 hours and even supports solar charging for eco-friendly use. Its detachable suitcase-style design makes it easy to carry, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app control let you adjust settings on the go. Perfect for camping, road trips, boating, or picnics, it's convenient and sustainable. The Audi DNA Concept Bike is a sleek electric mountain bike that blends Audi's signature design with advanced technology. Unveiled in 2020 and created with Fantic, it features a lightweight carbon fiber frame and an integrated electric motor for powerful performance, ideal for both city streets and off-road trails. The Canoe pickup truck is a fresh take on compact trucks, blending electric power with a highly adaptable design. Built on a modular electric platform, it maximizes interior space, making it equally suited for work projects, outdoor adventures, or everyday driving. It delivers between 200 and 350 horsepower and offers a driving range of around 200 miles, giving you both strength and efficiency for a variety of tasks. Thanks to DC fast charging, the battery can go from 20% to 80% in just 28 minutes. So you spend less time waiting and more time on the move. The Canoe pickup truck is a fresh take on compact trucks, blending electric power with a highly adaptable design. Built on a modular electric platform, it maximizes interior space, making it equally suited for work projects, outdoor adventures, or everyday driving. It delivers between 200 and 350 horsepower and offers a driving range of around 200 miles, giving you both strength and efficiency for a variety of tasks. Thanks to DC fast charging, the battery can go from 20% to 80% in just 28 minutes, so you spend less time waiting and more time on the move. The EcoFlow Glacier is a smart and portable refrigerator made for modern adventurers. With a 38-liter capacity and dual-zone temperature control, it keeps different foods and drinks at their ideal temperatures. It features a built-in ice maker that makes 18 ice cubes in just 12 minutes. Powered by a 298 Wh battery, it can run wirelessly for up to 40 hours and even supports solar charging for eco-friendly use. Its detachable suitcase-style design makes it easy to carry, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app control let you adjust settings on the go. Perfect for camping, road trips, boating, or picnics, it's convenient and sustainable. The Bell Nexus is a hybrid electric eVTOL aircraft first shown on January 7, 2019 at CES. It features 6 large ducted fans, 3 on each side, for vertical and forward flight. The middle rotors are on the main high wing, and the fans can tilt from vertical to horizontal for directional thrust. Landing skids have small wheels for easy movement. 2 versions are planned, one for a pilot and a passenger, and another for 6 passengers. The current model seats a pilot and 4 passengers. It can reach 155 knots, 288 kilometers per hour, fly 130 nautical miles, 241 kilometers, weighs 6,000 pounds, and fits in a 40 x 40 feet space. The Volonaut Air Bike is a real-life flying bike that looks like something from Star Wars. Instead of traditional propellers, it uses jet-powered thrust for an exciting open-air ride with full 360-degree views. Created by Thomas Baton, who also made the Jetson 1, it's extremely lightweight at just 30 to 40 kilograms and can reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour. Made from sleek carbon fiber with no enclosed cockpit, it's designed for speed and agility, perfect for flying through forests or tight spaces. Tested successfully in real flights, it's set to launch soon, bringing personal flying and sci-fi dreams closer to reality.